Welcome, in front of me is a Oppo Reno 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can migrate your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, navigate to Organize and then Manage SIM. This will in turn display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, and in my case, these will be imported to the device, but typically you would have a drop-down menu somewhere between here, between the Manage SIM and your first contact, that would probably say or list your Google account, as Google accounts are being picked by default if you have signed them in. I don't have any kind of Google account in here, so it automatically just defaults to the device and removes the drop-down menu altogether. So yeah. Additionally, if you see some kind of contacts that are already grayed out and deselected, don't worry, these contacts already exist in the location that you're trying to import those contacts to. And obviously you can also deselect ones that you don't want. Next, click on Import, and this will ask you the stupidest questions that I have seen on the phone, which is, do you want to remove contacts from your SIM card? No, you don't. So we're gonna select Keep. These contacts never get in your way when they're on a SIM card, and they're on there as a kind of backup if anything would ever happen. They don't get in your way, they're not visible here. You can show them by clicking right here where we have all contacts. You can choose to display contacts from the SIM card, but for the most part you can just show them from whatever you want, like in this case device. So you're not seeing duplicate contacts, they're not getting in your way, but if you were to ever, pop out your SIM card, put it in another device, you have access to those contacts. Unless you decided to delete them because the device popped it up, like for no reason. So yeah, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.